If you're seeing the sec error OCSP future response error in Mozilla Firefox, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common Firefox security error that can stop websites from loading properly, and it usually happens because your system clock is out of sync or because OCSP checking is causing the browser to block a secure connection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to correct the date and time on your Windows computer, and if needed, how to disable OCSP checking inside Firefox so you can get back to browsing normally. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always check is your computer's date and time. In many cases, this error appears simply because the system time on your Windows device is incorrect. To fix that, look at the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and click the clock. This opens your date and time settings. From there, click Adjust Date and Time. Once the settings window opens, turn on Set Time automatically. This allows Windows to automatically sync your clock with the correct time from the internet, which is important for secure websites to load properly. After that, click Sync now to force your computer to update the time immediately. This extra step helps make sure everything is accurate right away, instead of waiting for the next automatic sync. Once that's done, close the settings and restart Mozilla Firefox. After reopening the browser, go back to the website and try loading it again. In many cases, that alone will completely fix the sec error OCSP future response issue. If the error is still showing after your date and time are correct, then the next step is to adjust a Firefox setting called OCSP checking. OCSP stands for Online Certificate Status Protocol, and Firefox uses it to verify whether a website's security certificate is valid. Sometimes, this check can cause the browser to block a site even when the site is actually fine, especially if the certificate status response appears to be in the future because of a time mismatch. To disable OCSP checking, open Mozilla Firefox and click into the address bar. Then type about config and press enter on your keyboard. Firefox will warn you that changing advanced settings can affect browser stability and security, so carefully read the message and then click Accept the risk and continue. Now you'll see the advanced configuration page. In the search bar on that page, type Security.OCSP.Enabled. This will bring up the exact setting you need to change. By default, this value is usually set to. Click the setting and change the value to 2. After making that change, close the tab and try visiting the site again. In most cases, the page should now open without showing the sec error OCSP future response message. Just remember, this step is mainly a troubleshooting fix, so if everything starts working again, you may want to keep an eye on your system time and browser settings going forward. The most important thing is that you now know how to handle this error the right way. First, update and sync your Windows date and time. Then, if needed, disable OCSP checking in Firefox using about config. These two methods resolve the issue for many users and can save you a lot of frustration when secure websites refuse to load. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.